Mobilvetta Design is a motorhome manufacturer, part of the Trigano group, based in Italy, with rather unusual design. Started off as a furniture manufacturing company. I think they probably started doing the motorhome the first time because the owner thought he'd build himself a vehicle he could sleep in, and it took off from there. That's what I think the start is. But anyway, this vehicle here, I think started in the 60s if I remember rightly, so it'll be about 56 years ago, something like that. This is a queen bed model, 747 centimeters long. It's the Kea i90, 235 wide, height 295. So I say 235 wide, yes, I think I did. And look at that. So 3,157, but the weight, the gross vehicle weight, is from 3.5 tons. So you'd probably need to put it on a higher base than that. And this thing here is going to cost 71,000. The starting prices just under 70. So you've got about 10,000 of extra, which comes these things such as ESC. You've got manual climate control, you've got airbag for the driver and passenger, you've got cruise control, traction plus, you've got alu hubs at 16-inch alu hubs, and lots of other things. It's got an XL door, it says. Well, I don't really see that that's XL. Okay, maybe it is. And one thing, of course, it's got, and this is a double floor. Something I very much appreciate. Now, the design, as you can see, is utterly non-standard. It is, as an Italian journalist said, out of this world. That person said that in 2003, so it's 18 years ago. This is now the 2021 range. Well, this is 2020 still. It's been a rather bad year, but for many people. Right, so I've got a bit of wood here. I don't know what that's for. It's not the duck board. I'm going to put the bit. I'll put the bit of wood down here. Somebody's left a bit of wood in here. It matches the floor though. So queen bed, and a good thing about the queen bed, this is something I see quite a lot of this year. Very useful feature. You can flick the bed over like that. It's joined together with a zip, and that allows you access into this enormous storage compartment, including the drawer, which is down here. Oh, I opened two at the same time. That was clever, wasn't it? Oh, I see why. It's because they don't fit. Nice storage pouches. They're making a comeback. And you've got here wardrobe. Now you've seen this, I'll put it back. Pretty light, that mattress, actually. I think you might have noticed that from the ease which I moved it across. You can close this as well. Oh, I can't move this because I put that bit of wood down there, didn't I? Alright, so I'll close this one instead. Right, so if you want to close yourself in, you can see you haven't got much space. Now, one thing about closing yourself in is this. You see the way the door here is sort of sloped, so that will make the wet room, the toilet a bit smaller, but you can sort of walk through here. This will obviously go there, like that. You can lock yourself in if you want. And personally, I think these balls look alright in the house. I do not think they are very practical in a motorhome. I think I'd rather have a sink. Personally, I'd rather have a sink that sinks. There's a step up here. sinks. Got an old style plug, not a domestic one. 3 burners. Now one of my readers, or viewers I should say, is coming here to pick one of these up. I don't know if it's this mob. In fact, he's probably been here by now. And although this model is new for this year, and it's got some redeeming features, got 1 or 2 little problems with this. And the first thing I've got to say is, wasn't too impressed by the way things are working there. Of course, at a trade fair, people sort of use force. They come in and things get broken, but you know, look at the drawers there. Maybe it's easy to fix, but it shouldn't be like that, I think. I do appreciate it might be Mobiletta's fault. It might be some of the vandals that are coming in here. Big fridge. This year there's been much fewer people here, for obvious reasons, Corona. But, or Covid I should say, rather than Corona, because lots of flus, Corona. We've all had Corona before, but we haven't had Covid before. And which has meant that the thing is, the Covid situation has meant that business has never been so good. People want to go out in motorhomes rather than go to hotels. Look at that, it goes all the way back, right? I was in a van yesterday from Knaus, and the tray, this thing, the slide out thing, probably like that far. All that space wasted at the back, and it just comes out. That's a really good, yeah, that's a redeeming feature. This one doesn't go back so far because though it's not the wall. There's a wall there. Right, let's have a look down here at the double floor. That's quite deep, and you really will appreciate the double floor in the winter. Shall we have a look at this vehicle from the outside? Got an insect screen here. Should have them in all vans. Right, that's not coming out either. Let's see if there's a problem. No, sorry. No, it's just well built, so I've got, that's not a problem. I wasn't using enough force. They're so much easier to use, these insect screens these days, compared to the way they used to be. Big garage here. So look around the outside. And I mentioned that the sliding tray didn't come very far. That's your cassette toilet. So Mobilvetta Design Kea Kea integrated i90 motorhome. So the essence of being made in Italy with an international flavour and having absolute performance. That's what it says. Okay, so what do you think? All the best from Dusseldorf.